How to fix USB and USB-C port not working in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your search bar and then search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now search for USB connector managers. Double tap on it and then right click on it and then simply tap on Update Driver. After finding the updated or latest driver, simply install it in your device. If you do not find any updated version of your driver, all you have to do is uninstall this driver and reinstall it back. While reinstalling, make sure you do it from the official website of your laptop company, and that will fix your problem. Sometimes it could be a hardware malfunction. If that is the case, you will have to get it checked in your nearby hardware store. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.